We're going to record a parts program for our part without using any fixturing. The part is simply placed on the machine stage. The first thing we need to do is click on our Program tab. In our Program tab, we need to press the Record button and give it a program name. We'll call it Part 2. And I'll select 2 from the numeric keypad on the right hand side. And I push Finish. You see the Program tab here. The letters are highlighted in red. This indicates that the readout is recording a program and is remembering everything we do. The first thing we need to do is change our magnification to the correct one we're using on the machine. I changed it to magnification name 1x or x1, which is 10x on our machine. The next thing I'm going to do is adjust my light levels slightly because my bottom light's a tad too bright and my top light is a little too bright. Then I push Measure. Now I'm going to click on my cross lines and I'm going to change to Single Edge. All of these steps I've just done are remembered by the part program. Now the next thing I need to do is click on my Program tab. Because I don't have any fixturing and we don't know where the part is on the machine, we have to tell the operator where to take points. To do that, we use the Operator Prompt tool here. We click on the Operator Prompt tool and I'm going to say take two points on the bottom of the part. After I keyed in my prompt, I press Finish. Now I go back to my Program tab, and to start an alignment I tap on or click on the Skew button. I'm going to take 2 points on the bottom of my part. I'm going to take one here and I'm going to take another point there, and I push Finish. Now I'm going to go back to Program tab. Now I've created a skew and give the operator another prompt. This time I'm going to say take one point on the left side of the part, and I push Finish. Now I go back to my Measure tab, and to complete my skew alignment I take one single point, and I'm going to take that point on the left hand side of the part, and I push Finish. Now I need to go to DRO and I need to zero the x-axis. Remember, the y-axis was zeroed when we measured the skew on the bottom of the part. Now I go back to video. At this stage I no longer need to key in any operator prompts, as the computer or the readout knows where the part is on the measuring stage and can guide the operator where to take points with green arrows and the red circles as targets. First I'm going to measure 2 circles. I select Circle and I go to my top circle and I take 4 points equally spaced around the circle and push Finish. At this stage I can key in tolerancing, and I'm going to key in positional tolerancing of 66.5, and this time I'm going to be really generous with my tolerancing, plus or minus 0.5. Remember, I don't need to key in any negative signs in the nominal minus box. I don't need anything for the Z, and for my diameter I'm going to key in 8.4 and again 0.5, 0.5, generous tolerancing. Now that's finished and it's passed tolerance. The little green square here represents or shows that it's passed tolerance. I can go back to video and now measure the second circle by clicking on circle. Move down and take 4 points equally spaced around. Once I've taken 4 points, I push finish, and that's completed my circle measurement. Now I can push tolerance again, position. I'm going to key in for my X 66.5 plus or minus 0.5 once more. For my Y I'm going to key in 11 plus or minus 0.5. I don't need to enter in anything for the Z, and for my diameter 8.5 plus or minus 0.5, and that too has passed tolerancing. Now I'll go back to my video screen, and at this stage I can click on my program tab and say stop recording. I have finished recording the program and everything I want to edit into it. I can use this button here again to edit the program. And at the warning message, editing a program will cause the system to delete the current features, it is safe to press OK to continue. Okay. Scroll up. This is my top line. My top line of a program, you'll see my fixturing mode. It is set to none. This is because I do not have a fixture on the machine holding the part. This is my magnification I'm using, my light settings, my operator prompts, my skew, my second operator prompt, and my 0 points for the x-axis. Circle 3, circle 4. Editing, I push the stop button. Run the program and make sure the program name I want to run is highlighted, and I push play. Here is my operator prompt. Take 2 points on the bottom of the part. This prompt I touch anywhere in the blank area of the screen. The other thing I may want to do now is turn on my timeout. As the prompt said or instructed, I'm going to take 2 points on the bottom of the part. No need to push finish, as the readout will do it automatically for you. Now I'm going to take 1 point on the left side of the part. To make that prompt disappear, I just touch anywhere in the blank area of the screen, and I move my stage to take 1 point on the left hand side of the part. Now you see my green arrow and the red circle, which is my target. Since the alignment's done, I no longer need to bother with operator prompts, as the system or the readouts will guide me to the features it wants me to measure. My program has successfully finished running. I just touch anywhere in the blank area of the screen, and I can see by looking that both my circles have passed tolerance. If I want to, I can click on these, click tolerance, and I can view the tolerance and what my measurements actually were. This is how you create a part program in the readout.